In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add tags on Mondaycom. So let's jump right in this video without wasting any second. So what you're going to need to do is just to click on this plus right here. Click on this plus, and then right here we have add more columns, and then you're going to go to the search bar here and write tags, and then you can click on add to boards. Now we have tags right here. Now we can add some tags related to content creation, because that's what this board is about. Now it's just an example, but let's say I have a holiday, create a new tag, holiday, and now here we have this tag and we can search based on this tag. Now let's add another one, maybe campaign winter. Maybe I can add now another one, which is email newsletter. And then the other one is white paper. I don't know what, case study, maybe case study or video. Create a new tag, and now this is what we have here. Sorry, actually I should have added that. I don't know what I was thinking, sorry guys. So let me go back here. So I can go just to add more, but I can also I can go in and add. I can also manage tags, and but that's not what I want. So I'm just gonna click on here and just delete this one. And I can add more. Sorry, I can add more here. So let's say product lunch. And tips, I don't know, let's create, and now we can assign to assign the tags to our items. And yeah, now we can click on a tag and we can search for content that's with that tag. Okay, you can search for that content that's using the tag. So I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tutorials.